Hey folks, we're going to change the clutch master cylinder on Marshy. It's you can see it's kind of damp around the clutch booster, so that's an indication it's probably leaking. So we're going to change this. We're also going to change the clutch slave cylinder, which is located underneath the truck. I'll show you guys right now, in real time. She's right up there. You see the hose from the clutch master attaches to the clutch slave. Now it's leaking behind the boot, so the seals are pooched. So we're going to replace that as well. So I just pulled the clutch master off, and as you can see, my prediction was correct that the damp spots you see on the clutch booster are from a leaking clutch master cylinder. So you can see all the clutch fluid that's been puking out of the clutch master is now going into the clutch booster. So we want to deal with that. It's a good thing we're dealing with that right now.